So at this stage of the window install, we're preparing to install what's called the head flashing on the top of the window. And I just kind of wanted to show this. There's a lot of thought that SFW puts into their flashings. We have these custom made. The first thing is that we do a high back flashing. Most of our competitors do a minimum 1-inch flashing, which isn't enough to incorporate it into the existing weather barrier or the new weather barrier that we're installing on the project. The other thing is this has a pre-slope, and it's about a 7-degree slope. It allows the water to drain away from the structure. The other thing is we do a hemmed edge, so it's not sharp. Children won't be able to cut their fingers, or the homeowners. Another component is we do an upturn dam, which is very, very important. A lot of our competitors do a downturn, which is actually counterproductive. So in this stage of the installation, our crew members are performing a back caulking on the back side of the head flashing. It's going to go on the top of the window. This is another critical component, and the application needs to be precise.
Well-done paper.
So our crew has just applied the fasteners for our high back flashing, and we hold those up high so that when we incorporate this into the weather barrier, these are up out of the window flange area, and we can incorporate the proper weather barrier over the fasteners. In addition, there's a tremendous amount of flashings on this installation. All of the Hardy panel has a perimeter frame of either H flashing or pre-sloped high back Z metal. We have these custom made. Our turnaround time is generally about 1 day to keep the project moving efficiently and on time.